Hi everybody. Today I have Macy's Beauty Box, and I'm also going to show you the Estee Lauder gift with purchase that I got from Macy's. So let's start with the beauty box first. I see they've gone back to the box that sort of falls apart when you open it. Last month it was different. Okay. There it is, all open. And the description of the products. Oh, $10 off this time. Okay. But it says your next $40 beauty purchase. Okay, well, that's still good. It's 25% off. All right. Oops. The first thing that's coming out of this paper is from Rituals. It says Ritual of Sakura. I have this. I use it and I love it. This is a foaming body wash. And then next up is from Glam Glow. This is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Okay, I've had a sample of this before from another box, and I think I liked it. And then we have from Peter Thomas Roth, the Cucumber Gel, which we get a lot in several different boxes. But I'm not complaining. It's decent. And from Mario Badescu, we have facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Now, this is something that I've never tried, but I know a lot of people love it, so I'm looking forward to trying it out. And then we have from Centered. It says 100% natural de-stress therapy balm. Oh, it says stop, inhale, and reset. You put it on your neck, temples, or wrists, according to this paper here. And it will help you de-stress. Let's see. I've smelled this before. Oh, it smells like that heel balm. There's a heel balm. I don't mean H-E-A-L. I mean heel, the heel, like on the soles of your feet. There's a balm that smells exactly like this. But anyway, I guess whatever that herbal ingredient is aromatherapy. Okay. And then this feels kind of heavy. This is from Uplift, Blackberry Fizz, a bath bomb. You fill your bathtub with water and drop it in and enjoy. Oh, it smells good. I like that scent. It does smell a little bit like blackberries. This is a big bath bomb. Is this more than one? Yeah, you're supposed to break it apart so we actually get 9 little bath bombs. I like that. And then the final thing is a cold gel eye mask. It says no more puffy, tired eyes. To chill, place in the refrigerator for 1 hour or in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Once desired coolness is reached, place the soft fleece side over your eyes and pull the elastic strap over your head to secure it in place. Do not heat or microwave. Ooh, it feels funny. It has little beads. You can feel the little beads inside. But it's called Just Chilling. That's so cute. And this is a soft velvety fabric on this side. Okay, it feels a little bit cool to the touch right now, actually. Okay. All right, so for the Macy's Beauty Box, we got the Ritual of Sakura Foaming Body Gel, Shower Gel, the Mario Badescu Face Spray that I'm looking forward to trying out, the Glam Glow Super Mud, the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Mask, the De-Stress Chamomile, Neroli and Mandarin De-Stressing Balm, the Uplift Blueberry Bath Bombs, and the Just Chilling Eye Mask, Cooling Eye Mask. Okay, now on to the Estee Lauder that I also got from Macy's. This gift was free with any $39.50 purchase from Estee Lauder. So to qualify for the free gift and get some things that I've been wanting to try, I got this soft, clean facial wash from Estee Lauder. It says Moisture Rich Foaming Cleanser. I got this foaming cleanser. And then I've wanted to try these facial wipes for a long time. These are the Double Wear Longwear Makeup Remover Wipes. They're supposed to remove your long wear, stay all day type makeup. And they come in this pouch. This is a pack of 45. And this is the 7-piece gift with purchase. There were two options. One was Resilience and one was Uplift. And I chose Resilience because I really like Estee Lauder's Resilience Lift face creams. The other choice comes with the Global Supreme face cream. All right. I like this bag. It's fabric. It feels like cotton. It has all these cute little things on it. Estee Hotel and Lauder lines and all of that. Creative. Has a pretty little pull tab. And inside, oh, okay. It has a luggage tag, a bright blue luggage tag that says Estee Lauder. And then it has these letters so you can personalize your luggage. That's nice. They're kind of thick. They're raised. They're not just like thin little stickers. Okay. These are the products in here. Your ticket to beauty. So this is all about travel, obviously. And we got a travel size of the Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. A 1 ounce size of the Perfectly Clean Facial Wash. I used to use this all the time. It's very good. I also used to use this, the Advanced Night Repair Serum. We have a lipstick in this beautiful little package. This is the Pure Color Envy High Luster Light Sculpting Lipstick. Can't quite make out the shade, but this is what it looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that shade of pink. I'll definitely wear that. Okay. And then the last two items are the Resilience Lift Multi-Effect Day Cream and the Resilience Lift Multi-Effect Night Cream. So we have a little set of day cream and night cream. That's nice. So in the Estee Lauder 7-piece gift with purchase from Macy's, we got the luggage tag, along with a set of stickers, a Perfectly Clean Foaming Face Wash, the beautiful pink lipstick, the Sumptuous Extreme Mascara, Advanced Night Repair Serum, and the Resilience Multi-Effect Day and Night Cream. So that's everything that I got in the Macy's Beauty Box and the Estee Lauder 7-piece gift with purchase from Macy's. Thank you for watching. Bye.